Good for You, performed by Ricey Avila. Composed by Hazel Faith Santos. Good for You, a song about breaking toxic cycles to become better for the one you love.
Good for You, also arranged and produced by Brian Kua.
Na-experience ko na po na yung mga past relationships ko, medyo red flag, medyo toxic. Hindi ko napansin, ako rin pala ay nahawahan na ng kapulahan ng toxicness. So, nung nakilala ko po yung ngayong asawa ko, na sobrang bait, sobrang good for me, na-realize ko, meron din pala akong mga inherent toxic behaviors. And because I love him, because he loves me, I want to treat him the best that he deserves. So, it's a struggle with your toxic old self na you have to let that go and change because it's a choice to love this person the way they deserve.
Nice, thank you. And Ricey, what a soulful, powerful, sexy interpretation of Good for You. How did you connect with the song? The first time you heard it, what came to your mind?
I have failed relationships din po before. And now that I am a single mother, nakarelate po ako sa kanta. Kasi gusto ko po, pag nagka-partner po ko ulit, I will be the best version of myself.
Nice, nice,
Opo.
nice.